Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we've got a Challenger pool pump that is leaking where the pipe comes into the front right here. So the way we're going to fix this, because there's nowhere to cut the pipe, we're going to go ahead and take the whole canister off, unscrew it from the main pump here, take the bolts out, and then we will begin to basically unwind it. Take a look. You can count the number of threads in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we should get 8 full turns when we tighten it back up. Now that I've got it off, I'm going to take the old Teflon tape off of this, get this all cleaned up. Now there's nothing wrong with the pipe, it just over time, it's probably a 20-year-old joint, so we're just going to clean it up, put some new Teflon on it, and remake that connection. Nothing wrong with the basket. It just over time has worked itself loose. So what I'm using here is a glue that is made for swimming pools. It actually it sets up soft, but it will also dry underwater. So if it's not perfectly dry, it's okay. Then I'll put Teflon over top of that. Then we'll do one more layer of the glue to get a really good seal on this connection. Now remember, I took it off 8 turns, so we should be able to go back 8 turns. We'll count those. Okay, that's 8 right there. Won't go any further, so we're going to stop right there at 8 and reconnect everything. Okay, now we're going to start putting it back together. Where these two join, the basket and the main pump volute, there is a small O-ring in there. We're just going to lube that a little bit just to make sure it seals good. Don't want any air bubbles in the pump when we get it started up. So put that there, and we'll just start putting everything back together, slide the pump back into place, get the bolts in it, and get her tightened up. Okay, we've just about got it, touching up the final bolts to make sure everything's good and snug.
And back together.
There you have it. We've got the pump back together, got it running. You see little pieces of debris floating in the basket.
Back together.
Got it completed, seals good, and thanks for watching.